In this video, I want to show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 2827e printer. There's two ways on this can be done. Actually, there's two different resets. Let me show you how to do a full factory reset, and after that I'll show you how to do a simple Wi-Fi reset. So to do a factory reset, you need to take your phone and open the HP app that has been connected with the printer. There's no factory reset option available directly on the control panel of the printer, unfortunately. Once you open the HP app, press on your printer. You're going to go all the way down in these settings. And we need to find right over here under printer settings, you're going to find the option View All. Press on View All, and then you're going to select Advanced Settings. Then you're going to press on Settings, the last option. Press on the small plus icon, go down, and we need to find Restore Defaults. This is what we need to click. And over here, we're going to have Restore Factory Defaults. Tap on this. And on the top, they will ask us to input the PIN code of the printer to be able to do it. So let me show you where you can find it. On your HP printer, you're going to go right over there and open this panel. And you're going to open the other panel where the ink cartridges are located. On that door, if you look closely on the left side, we're going to find the PIN code of the printer. Obviously yours will be different, so don't copy mine because it will not work. So I'll go ahead on the app and type whatever I'm seeing here. So 92317521. And then you're going to press on Submit. Press on Restore Factory Defaults. Now press Yes. At the end, it will take around 10 seconds and you're going to get a green check mark. Factory defaults have been successfully restored, and press OK. And this is about it. You can now exit the app, and your printer, as you see over here, let me see, will be turned off. There won't be anything on the display. Press on the power button. The printer will power on, and you will have to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network because, again, everything has been resetted. You can also close this small door, give it a few minutes just so it starts completely, and it will be time to reconnect your printer to your phone or to your laptop, no matter which device you are using. You'll have to set it up fresh because the printer will be like a brand new one. If you didn't have access to the app to do a reset, you can also simply reset the Wi-Fi settings with the control panel. This is not a factory reset, it's just resetting the Wi-Fi. So to do this, you simply have to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button until the Wi-Fi light over here blinks blue. In my case, it's already blinking blue because I have factory reset the printer, but in your case, it's maybe not blinking blue. So press these two buttons. Once you see the light blinking blue, lift your fingers, and this will reset the Wi-Fi network. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me if it helped or tell me that it didn't help. Subscribe, like, check my Amazon links to get a brand new printer if you don't like this model or some paper or some ink that is compatible with this model, and I'll see you in the next video.